Hello everybody. These are 3-cylinder models, 3 types here. This is BASI BM, 2 rows of pins, but the top one is not active. This is BASI BM and 2 titans. There are Titan i6 and Titan K56. In general, we have Titan K56, Titan i6 and BASI BM. One tool is used for these 3 types of cylinders. The working foil is placed only on the main row. You don't need to put anything on the top row. Use either 06 or 05. I didn't see much of a difference. Plus or minus is the same. Either 05 or 06 foil. And about these locks. They have very mushroom-shaped pins, and they are very difficult to open, but it can be opened. Let's say there is one here, it opens by itself. I shook the top one from right to left, now we will try the same, and it opened by itself, but this is rare. Most often, one of the pins is not pressed through. As a rule, it's 1. And you have to try to find this one and push it through. It's like a system. Well, at least try, because it doesn't often open by itself. You'll have to try to find a pin that doesn't sag. And push the foil in that place. I'll try to explain it all quickly and clearly now. Let's start with the one that can open itself in principle. This is BM. It just has a lighter key pattern, so it can open itself. Well, if you are lucky. The top row is inactive. On the back side, we make sure to make a shape. Oh, by the way, about the tool. The profile is quite thin, so you have to work carefully. It must be used carefully. The key itself is not thick. The tool is not forceful one. And you need to swing it carefully with an appropriate load. Transfer it to the working part, carefully insert. Let's make sure it doesn't get wrinkled. Carefully with such light movements. As usual, tension on the left side and up and down. Sometimes you can make fast but not strong movements, just fast, like fast, fast, fast in different directions. You can try this as well. Well, and I repeat, as it happened now, this is an easy option, it doesn't happen often. Another BASI BM. Here the drawing is more complicated. I'll try foil 05 here. There is no point in swinging the tool for a very long time. Swing it 10-20 times, and after that you can try to find and try to press some pin that wasn't pressed in by itself. To press the pin, you need to pull it out very carefully so that the foil retains its shape. It remains on the key, because if you pull it out, the foil will fly apart. So you need to be careful. As a rule, it is successful. Here, if you compare it with the key, it was not pressed anymore. You can still try. Well, this one was pressed through, and this one. Here we see high ones in the middle. As a rule, some of the high ones are not pressed through. We can just choose at random. Not all the way through, but about halfway. In general, this is not an easy task. I think this one won't work already. Now I'll try to open another one. Let's take Titan i6. The pattern is also quite complicated. There was a click, a stronger backlash appeared. In principle, after this, you can try. Compare with the key, the first, the second. Here the whole pattern is assembled, except for one. Let's try to show it close up, if possible. Here it is, the top one of the high ones. Here we have one high and the second high. Either one or the other must be pressed. Let's say if you pressed this one but it did not open, then we reload the foil and work again. And the next time we do not touch this one but press this one. Here it is as a rule at this level. We press somewhere in the middle and try. Well, this often happens when one pin is approximately high. Well, it stands high, it needs to be pressed further. So it will not be easy with these locks. There will be no 100% opening, but the tool was made. Once again about the tool. It is thin, the profile is thin. Therefore, swing, apply force very carefully. It can be broken, bent. That is, in addition to the complexity of the locks themselves, the instrument itself, well, it is not super strong, so work with it very carefully. Well, but it fits 3 cylinders. The price of the tool you can find on our website, the link is under this video. Bye!